Phonics class. In the previous class, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with app family. If you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Now, I am here to teach you 3-letter CVC words along with at family. Children, CVC simply means consonant, vowel, consonant. We have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Children, are you ready to learn today? Yes, very good. Let's begin. Letter A. A makes the sound A. Letter T. T makes the sound T. A and T together makes the sound at. At. Now we are going to learn words with at sound. B. At. Bat. B. At. Bat. K. At. Cat. K. At. Cat. F. At. Fat. F. At. Fat. H. At. Hat. H. At. Hat. At. Mat. At. Mat. R. At. Rat. R. At. Rat. Children, here we have some more words to practice. Practicing more words makes you perfect reader. Pat. Sat. Bat. Children, now let's have a quick review. You all can join with me. Bat. Cat. Fat. Hat. Mat. Pat. Rat. Sat. Bat. Children, practice these words every day because the habit of practicing goes parallelly with the attainment of knowledge. Children, I hope you all had fun learning today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you you so much for watching.